Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new thing that is of the same topic, speed, distance and time. Upstream and downstream. What is the speed of boat in upstream and downstream? Okay. Suppose this is a river. This is a boat. It is having a particular speed. The person is sitting here. Okay, it is having a particular speed. Suppose the speed of the boat is x kilometer per hour. If the speed of the current of the water is in the same direction and it is y kilometer per hour, then downstream we say this is, if the speed of the boat and speed of the current in same direction they are moving, then we say this is downstream. But when the boat is moving to this direction and the current speed of the current of water is in this direction, then we say this is upstream. So what is the speed of the boat in downstream? It is the speed of the boat in still water plus speed of the current. Okay, and what is the speed of the boat in upstream? That is speed of the boat in still water minus speed of the current. So now start some practical example. As I told you, when a body in downstream, speed equals to speed of the stream plus speed of the boat in still water, and when a boat in upstream, then speed equals to speed of the boat in still water minus speed of the stream. So question number 8, read question number 8. What is given here? The speed of the boat in still water is 10 kilometer per hour. Okay, and the speed of the stream is 4 kilometer per hour. Find the following. What are the following thing we need to find out? First, time taken by the boat to go 78 kilometer upstream, and question number 2, time taken by the boat to go 126 kilometer downstream. So see, first take the data. What are the data given here? Speed of the boat in still water. What is the speed? 10 kilometer per hour. This is given. And speed of the stream, that is also given, 4 kilometer per hour. Therefore, speed of the boat in upstream, what it is equals to? Speed of the boat in still water minus speed of the stream or speed of the current. So it will be equals to 6 kilometer per hour. Now we know it is given distance. How much the boat have to cover? That is 78 kilometer. So formula of time is equals to distance by speed. So distance 78 by speed is 6. So it will be 13 hour. So what will be the time? 13 hour. Next question number 2, what is given? Speed of the boat in downstream. We have to add this to stream. 10 plus 4, that is 14 kilometer, and distance is given 126 kilometer. There will be time equals to 126 by 14. So 14 nines are 126. So it will be 9 hours. The time taken in downstream will be 9 hours. Next question, the speed of the boat in still water. Question number 10. Speed of the boat in still water is 14 kilometer per hour. If the boat travels 90 kilometer upstream in 7 and 1 by 2 hours, find the speed of the stream. Speed of boat in still water is 14 kilometer per hour. Distance travelled by the boat in upstream is 90 kilometer. Time taken equals to 7 1 by 2 hour, that is equals to 15 by 2 hour. Therefore, speed of boat in upstream is distance by time. that is 90 by 15 by 2, that is equals to 12 hour. Now this is the speed of the boat in upstream. We know if the boat is in upstream, then speed will be less than the speed in still water. So speed of stream will be speed of the boat in still water minus speed of the boat in upstream. So 14 minus 12, that is equals to 2 km per hour. So students, try the rest of the problem to solve. If you have any doubt, we are going to discuss it in our live class. Thank you.